Okay, so for the people wondering how to use these crazy looking tools, I'm gonna give you a quick full body tutorial. The cool thing is you can literally just pick it up and start using it. Anytime, anywhere, it's literally as easy as like up and down and side to side all over your body. So it's really convenient to use over kind of tight fitting, thin clothing. And again, this is just a really light, brisk motion. You can do it over everywhere. You're in charge, you're the boss, so you can do what feels good to you. Super easy to use, it's very intuitive, so you'll see exactly where it makes sense to grip it, where it feels good. If you feel a little spot that's kind of like tense or like, oh, that feels a lot, you can just sort of ease into that area, work on it a little bit. Again, you're in control of the pressure, of the intensity, of what you do. Feel free to get creative with your posture here and your positioning. So they're just really easy to use, so I feel like it's just a very intuitive grip. But I just want to show you how easy it is to reach literally every area of your body and get like a super awesome massage. For runners or anyone with shin splints, you are going to need to do this to your shins because it can literally be the difference between being able to run without pain and having like painful, inflamed shins. So I like to alternate between the tools. If I only have one with me, I can do everything with it, but sometimes the different tools have a different use. Like for example, this one's smaller, so obviously you can kind of position it a little bit differently, do some more versatile things. The knobs, again, are a little bit thicker and larger than this one, obviously. So with this one, you're able to do a lot more little detailed things. So for example, on like a bony joint, you can really get in there a little bit more in a more detailed way, feels different, hits it differently, different muscle fibers. So you can use any of the tools anywhere on your body, and literally it's as easy as up and down and side to side. So option one is that you can use it over clothing, which to me is just really convenient because you can just grab and go and it's not a whole thing, and you can do it at the gym, you don't get weird looks. Option two is that you can do it on bare skin, but you have to use some kind of lubricant. So like lotion or an oil. This is just a little like avocado oil blend I made. So I just did a couple little squirts of oil there. Then I'm going to use this to just lightly massage my skin. So you'll see how it glides when you use some kind of lubricant or lotion or oil. On bare skin, you can probably feel it going in a little bit deeper, more like a deep tissue massage than a light and brisk massage when it's over your clothing. You'll also see your skin start turning red. So this is a good thing. This means you're getting better blood flow to the surface of your skin, which is bringing nutrients and all kinds of things that helps improve your skin's health. So getting red is a good sign. If you see some splotchy red, you might have some tense tissue there that's basically limiting the blood flow from fully reaching the surface of your skin. So you'll see areas that are a little bit splotchy red and areas that are still just your regular skin color. So just keep working on that area. And again, if you hit something that's like, oh, I feel some tension there. Like for me right here on my forearms, I use my forearms all the time to type all day on the computer. So I often carry a lot of tension there just because of the overuse. So when I feel like, ooh, that spot's getting it good, I just focus on that area a little bit more. And of course, if it actually, like this should not be painful. So if it's uncomfortable for you, just ease up on the pressure, go a little bit lighter, and you can be in control the whole time. It really should not be painful or uncomfortable. So just remember, you're in control. You can control how often you do it, how deep you do it, how much pressure you apply. And it is about consistency in terms of getting the results. Like if you have a little ache or pain, by all means, massage yourself and start feeling good right away. If you use it consistently, you can start seeing continued benefits of increased blood flow. It's good for your nerves, it's good for your muscles, it's good for your soft tissues. It basically makes all your tissues happy and healthy. So it's a really awesome daily practice. And again, you can just grab it and go. You can use them anywhere. You can throw it in your purse, in your gym bag, in your car. You can throw this in your gym bag or your backpack. I travel with these all the time because they're pretty much a must for me. So use them anywhere, use them all over your body, and stay in control and keep feeling amazing.